Hey, what's going on, everybody? For some reason, my audio didn't work, so here we go. This is a brass catcher that I have from Amazon. Right here, these are the top pieces that connect to the actual cage, and I am loosening the screws so that I can put it on the top part of the actual cage that you see right there. This comes with two Allen keys. One Allen key is for the screws here, and the other one is for the actual piece that attaches to the gun that you're using. You can see that there's actually three lines, or three bars. You put it on the back, two there, put it underneath, fits in there nice and snug. Going to put the screws back on it and tighten them down. Do 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 do. I promise the actual original audio sounded a lot better than this. Don't really know what happened to it. Anyways, I just got about them tightened down, and as you can see right there, you can move that wherever you need. Taking a look at the directions real quick. Now we're going to be putting the bag on. Now you'll see here in a second that I didn't pay attention, and you see the two top flaps. I didn't pay attention and didn't undo the two side flaps, and I was like, why isn't this working? And then I realized, oh, that's because there are side flaps that need to be undone so that they will actually fit on there. You know, a little oops moment, but nothing that was too big. Get all four pieces of Velcro undone, put it on there, and you're just going to pull them over, strap them on there, and it's actually very, very secure, just being the Velcro. Now you see on the top flap, it actually goes under and then over to be a little more stable, I guess. A little more retention with it as opposed to just flapping over. Get them all nice and on there. You can see where I was saying about that. Side pieces, the underneath. Now once you got these on there, there is the zipper down there at the bottom, and then the piece that connects to the actual rifle that you are using. All right, everybody. I figured out why there was two of these, and that's so that you can actually have it on two different guns if you're out the range or whatnot, and then that way you don't have to switch it out. Got your holder right here. You see this little push button here on the side, and that's just so that it will slide in here and catch. Ay. Trying to do this for camera always makes it hard. All right, so squeeze, push on, find your sweet spot, and then there you go. Now let's put some rounds through it, and we'll go from there. Now, in theory, what will happen is fire the gun, the round will be ejected, and will be ejected into the bag here. That's the theory. So let's see. And there we go. Worked perfect. This is a good way to be able to save your brass and be able to reload. You guys got any questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later. Here's a little better view of it.